Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you for watching, or thank you for making time to watch this particular video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and also your comments are always welcome, and also like to this particular video. Yeah, if you are a new person over there, you are looking for a passive way of making money on the internet, then I will plead with you to consider digging into P2P trading, because P2P trading is fetching a lot of we guys here money. So if you are new out there, or if you are an unemployed graduate out there looking for ways and means to earn money, I think you can make a genuine money on this space as a P2P trader. But for the purpose of this video today, we are going to talk about how to open or how to become a vendor. If you want to become a vendor on NoOnes platform, where to start from? After you verify your account, the next thing to do is to make your security deposit. If you don't have that much money to make a security deposit, no one is giving you the opportunity to trade $200 every day if you've not made any security deposit. But if you make the security deposit, you can trade to any amount you want to trade within the day. So if you don't have that much to make the security deposit, I think every day you can be making some small profit from the market space. Let's begin with today's lesson. Today, what we are going to look at is we are going to look at how to create an offer after your account is being verified. You want to create an offer to buy from the marketplace. So you just have to come here. We have homepage, we have wallet, we have marketplace, and we have partner program. And this is where your amount in your account is going to show. So to create an offer, you come to marketplace. We have create an offer. All these functions, we are going to do that later. But for the purpose of this video, today we are going to look at how to create an offer. So you click on create an offer. After you click on create an offer, it will take you to this page. We have create an offer to sell Bitcoin. But this offer is going to be based on buy Bitcoin. So you click on this round button here, then it will select for you create an offer to buy. Choose the currency, the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You want to buy BTC, you can also buy USDT, or you can also buy USD coins. So now with the next step is to select the payment method you want to use for your payment. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use MTN, because MTN is the most popular payment platform in Ghana. You can also use Vodafone or Airtel to go, or let's say bank transfer, or any other payment method you want to use from your particular country or from the particular location you can find yourself. So let's select MTN mobile money. My preferred currency will be Ghana cedis, because I'm going to make payment in Ghana cedis. Then after you finish, you come to next. All that we did here is what is being put down over here, so there's no need for us to read because of time. You go to next, then next it will take us to this side where you are obliged to set the rate or the market price you want to buy your crypto for. Choose Bitcoin rate you want to use, so you are going to choose the rate we want to buy our coins for. And always, one of the principles of P2P trading is always make sure you buy at a lower rate, then you sell at a higher rate. And always, when creating offer on NoOnes, you have to select market price, because we can see we have market price and fixed price, but always make sure you select market price. If you have any question on this particular on this particular part, you can send me your comment in the comment section, so that I will explain to you in details. Because for the purpose of for this video, we are not going to be putting more time on some of these things. So if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section, then I'm going to answer to you the difference between this and that. So our offer margin, the margin at which you want to buy the coins for, the margin at which you want to buy the coins for. So always make sure you buy at a lower rate than you sell at a higher rate. So we are saying we are going to buy at -10, which means every coin that you buy, you are going to make 10% profit on that particular coin, because you are buying at -10. Every coins that you buy, you are going to make 10% profit on that particular coin you are buying. So for every 139 Ghana cedis you buy, you are going to receive 152 cedis, 90%. This is a very huge amount of money or profit you are making for this particular trade, because if you are receiving this, if you are making payment for this and you are receiving this, then I think it's a massive profit you are making from the market. After you are done with this side, you come to offer trade limit. This is where you are going to set the limit at which you can buy your coins, or the limit you want to use in buying the coin. So for instance, if you are starting this business with 1000 Ghana, then always make sure you set a limit below 1000 Ghana, because you can't be using 1000 Ghana to start a trade, then you'll be setting your limit at, let's say, 5000. Whenever someone opens a trade of 5000, you can make payment. So always make sure you will set your limit below the capital you are using to trade. So for instance, I can make it like 300 Ghana cedis. The person, if anyone want to open trade with me, the person can open trade from 139 Ghana cedis to 300 Ghana cedis, because the capital I'm using is not all that much for me to buy more at a particular time given. This is our offer time limit. The time limit you have, or the time limit the company is giving you, is 30 minutes. So after someone open trade with you, you have 30 minutes to make payment to the person. All that we did here is the same thing is what is being put in under here. So now we go to next step. Next step is where you are going to give the trade instruction you want to use for this particular trade. First on the list is price tag. The price tag, offer tag, is what we are going to use this drop down here to select our offer tag. Tag that will be shown on the market tab, no third party payment. You can also select no verification needed. Then you can also select no receipt required. After you have done with this side, because the system is asking us to select at least 10 offer tags for our offer description. Sorry. Then after you are done with this part, you come to your offer label. Offer label, you can put in maybe fax payment, or maybe 5G. Most people do it 5, put in 5G payment, which means you make payment at a very fast rate in the market space. After you are done with this side, you come to offer terms. The offer terms is where you are going to give your trade instructions whereby if someone want to open trade with you, he has to follow for this particular trade. So you can ask the person to say hi and drop your details for payment. So whenever someone opens trade, this is the trade instruction the system is going to show the person. Say hi and drop your details for payment. Very simple. Always make sure you make your offer terms very simple to understand, or you can leave a positive feedback. Leave a positive feedback and will also do say. So you are asking the person you are training with to leave you a positive feedback, because you are also going to do same. After this side, you come to verification. This side, I always advise the new guys not to do anything from this side, because if you set anything from this side, it means you are restricting your trade partner. You are giving a lot of trade partner restriction to your trade partner, of it most of the new guys can't trade with you, because this side is telling us require your trade partner to verify their identity. So it means whenever someone wants to trade with you, the person has to be a verified person or a verified trade partner on the platform before you can trade. He or she, before that trade partner can trade with you. But it shouldn't be so. If the person is verified or not verified, you should allow the person to trade with you. Without wasting much time, I think this side you can read to understand advanced options. Your target country should be the country where you are coming from. I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to type in Ghana to select for my target country. Minimum trade requirement. This side too, I always advise new guys not to set, because as soon as you set any requirement, it means you are restricting people from trading with you. If for instance, if I should set 10 pass trade, it means whoever want to trade with me, the person should have a 10 successful trade before he can trade with me. But you being a new guy, always make sure you avoid all those things. Limits for new users. You are putting, if you put a limit here, like a new user can only open a trade of 200 Ghana with you. But when there's a new user, the person has the money on his account, they want to sell to you, because you've restricted that person to trade only 200 Ghana with you. And if the person is willing to trade, let's say 300 Ghana, it means he cannot trade with you. So always leave this space blank for you. You can also set limitation by country. You can also block countries, or you can allow countries that they can trade with you. But since you are the one buying, only if the person can provide you with MTN details, you have no business in that. So just leave this side blank, or don't select any of the countries there. After you come here, then you are done with your account. You just have to go to create an offer. Yes, our offer is now being created. So this is our offer link. You can copy this link whenever someone wants to trade with you. You can give that link to the person to trade with you. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for making time to be with me at this particular moment. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask your questions in the comment section. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would advise you to subscribe to this channel, because we are going to use this space particular to teach you the in and out when it comes to P2P trading. So please subscribe, then share with friends so that they can also join to learn this P2P business you want to start. Thank you for watching once again. See you again. Bye bye.